I must admit that the sun is still at its peak and I started to feel thirsty. This is purely because of the spells of dry summer wind, and I was totally underprepared for this. On exploring the area surrounding the track, I found these tiny little creatures that learn to thrive flawlessly. As I walked past the wall adjoining the railway track, I found a few Indian robins that were quite blissful with this whole summer thing. Spotting a female Indian robin who was collecting rags for her nest was quite a sight. While all this was happening, a young couple was also getting ready to set up their homes. I later found out that these birds are a pair of woodswallows who are at the beginning of their courtship period. Preening alongside their partner in a way lets them spend more time with each other, and eventually they get more comfortable. As the courtship period progresses, the couple starts to preen each other. Preening each other is believed to keep their connection strong, and it is termed as allopreening in the scientific community. They slowly set out to start their family. For this, they need to find a suitable place for building their nest, and sometimes it can be as high as the top of the electric post adjoining the railway track. In summer, the trees start to shed their leaves, and this has become a favorable situation to these birds. Unlike most birds, where one parent has a major role in building their nest, the woodswallows show an equal participation. mother-to-be is safeguarding the nest, the father-to-be is on the search for the best piece of twig. While he is done selecting a perfect twig, he leaves immediately. It seems that there is a little tiff between the couple. While the mother pulls away the twig to herself, the dad-to-be is insistent on fulfilling his contribution all by himself. He gets in the perfect grip before placing the twig carefully onto the nest. Every single chance they get in between their work shift is spent in preening their wings and guarding the nest. Once his shift gets over, he leaves. Following him, the mother also leaves. Day in and day out, this process of nest building continues till the sun sets. These parents-to-be are constantly vigilant of the surrounding and keep patrolling alternatively.